Hey, what's up, Harmony One holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Harmony One coin. You know what, my friends? In this time, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. In its crash time, my friends. In this time, now the current situation of the cryptocurrencies market, Cardano, XRP, VeChain, Shiba, the fastest cryptocurrencies price is in negative at this time, my friends. So there is a big crash, my friends. And furthermore, the Harmony One price is also going down. The Harmony One price is also going down. You can see here, my friend, that the last 1 day 1 week price change is negative. So if these changes is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. So how you can save yourself from loss in this video, I will show you, my friends. Just keep watching this video till the end. My friends, first of all, if you look the latest price of the Harmony One coin, so 0.054116 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Harmony One coin. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Harmony One coin, so the last 1 day, last 1 week process in the Harmony One coin is negative. Completely fast down occurs in these coin. Let me show you the price chart for more details and for better understanding, my friends. Oh my god, is that's a really big crash of the Harmony One coin price. You can see here, my friends. My friends, the price of Harmony is gradually going down, and that is the last 1 week, last 7 days price chart of the Harmony One coin. So my friends, that's mean that the price of Harmony One coin is going down from the previous last 7 days, and the previous last 1 month price change is also negative. So if the previous last 1 month change is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. My friends, there is only one way to save yourself from loss, and the way is to hold. If you hold Harmony One coin for a long time, so maybe you get profit in the future from Harmony One coin. But if you decide to sit on this price, so you are completely in the loss. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Harmony One coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.